Hello, I am Shivam Agrawal, a student volunteer of Environment Society of CVS Green Brigade. As every 50 hours, we are posting an issue which is threatening biodiversity. So in this video, I will talk about the impact of development on Rajaji National Park. Rajaji National Park was named after independent India's first Governor General. It is located between the Shivaliks and foothills of Great Himalayan Range. Rajaji National Park has core area of 820 square kilometer and extended area of 1100 square kilometer with buffer area. This is one of the India's 50th tiger reserve and it is home to some of the most endangered species including hornbills, elephants and leopards. Some of the issues which are causing impact on Rajaji National Park are: first issue is the road projects on National Highway 58 and railway projects on Haridwar-Dehradun railway line which have disturbed the ecosystem. Due to this, there is decrease in tigers population from 70 tigers in mid-90s to 2 tigers in 2012, and tigers have also been disappeared from the western part of the reserve. Other species that has been affected are elephants. Second issue is the development of Chilla hydroelectric power station in the eastern part of the reserve. Third issue is the water shortage. Outside the boundaries of Rajaji National Park, there are many manufacturing plants which draw lot of the water. It increases the burden on the reserve and also reduces the groundwater table. Rajaji Reserve is the main water tower in area and it is key to sustaining livelihood. The drop in water availability has led to large effect on flora and fauna. Due to water shortage, wildfires destroyed the natural forest in Haridwar and Chilla ranges. Fourth issue is human-wild conflict. There is presence of human settlements within the boundary of the reserve area. The Chilla range has a healthy tiger population, but due to lack of connectivity between eastern and western part of the park, tigers end up in conflict with human settlements. Fifth and the biggest issue is that the Uttarakhand Forest Department issued a proposal to transfer 778 hectares of Rajaji National Park and Narendra Nagar Forest Division to Kumbh Mela Samiti in order to initiate temporary construction for the Kumbh Mela scheduled in 2021. The proposed area of the national park is intended to remain with Kumbh Mela Samiti for over 9 months, beginning from September 1, 2020 to May 31, 2021. Kumbh Mela Samiti has proposed an agreement to use forest vacant fields for constructing camps, parking, police checkpost and health camp for visitors. This park is a tiger reserve and its use for non-forest purpose is a clear violation of Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and Forest Conservation Act 1980, and the time period for temporary use of forest land is only fixed for 2 weeks, but in this case the protected area of reserve is being used for 9 months time period, which drew criticism from several environmentalists. Due to infrastructure project, the Rajaji National Park is now half the century it could be. Till now, no further update has been given on proposed project, but due to condition of political environment in our country, this project is likely to be accepted by government, which will be great threat to the biodiversity. At last, I want to conclude that government should look over all the issues that are affecting the biodiversity of the Rajaji National Park. All the resources available in the park should be conserved and the protected area of the park should not be put for use to others. Government and Forest Department should make strict laws to preserve biodiversity and any illegal activity should be strictly prohibited. Thank you.